Hi students, hearty welcome to RISE, Ramu's Institute of Spoken English. My dear students, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూడబోతున్నాం, నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం బుక్ నంబర్ 31 యాంటోనిమ్స్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ అని కూడా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. యాంటోనిమ్స్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. కాబట్టి మీ దగ్గర ఉండేటువంటి బుక్ నంబర్ 31 చేతిలో ఉంచుకొని ఈ వీడియోను చూస్తూ ప్రతిదీ బైహెడ్ చేస్తూ కూడా నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఇవి కాంపిటిటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ లో చాలా ఉపయోగపడేటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇవి బైహెడ్ చేయాలి, కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి, రిమెంబర్ గుర్తుంచుకోవడం కూడా చాలా అవసరం. కాబట్టి ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. ఓకేనా ఫ్రెండ్స్, కమ్ ఆన్ లెట్ us స్టార్ట్. రిటన్ అండ్ ఎడిటెడ్ బై డిహెచ్ రాము, సెల్ నంబర్ 9390495239. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ బుక్ నెంబర్ 31 పేజ్ నెంబర్ 8 ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి. సికు సంబంధించినటువంటి యాంటోనిమ్స్ పదాలను ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం పేజ్ నెంబర్ 7 వరకు చూడడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు పేజ్ నెంబర్ 8. కాంపిటీ యాంటోనిమ్స్ కంబైన్, యునైట్. కాంపిటీ యాంటోనిమ్స్ combine, unite. Competent antonyms incompetent, incapable, inefficient. Competent antonyms incompetent, incapable, inefficient. Complete antonyms incomplete, unfinished. Complete antonyms incomplete, unfinished. Complement antonyms criticism, censure. Complement antonyms criticism, censure. Compose antonyms irritate, excite. Compose antonyms irritate, excite. Compromise antonyms obstinacy, headedness. Compromise antonyms obstinacy, headedness. Compulsory antonyms voluntary, optional, unconstrained. Voluntary, optional, unconstrained. Compulsory antonyms voluntary, optional, unconstrained. Conceal antonyms expose, manifest. conceal. Antonyms: expose, manifest. Conceit. Conceit. Antonyms: unpretentiousness, reserve. Unpretentiousness, reserve. Conceit. Antonyms: unpretentiousness, reserve. Conclusion. Conclusion. Antonyms: beginning, opening, origin, start, inception, commencement. Conclusion. Antonyms: beginning, opening, origin, start, inception, commencement. Concord. Concord. Antonyms: discord, variance, disagreement. Discord, variance, disagreement. Concord. Antonyms: discord, variance, disagreement. Concrete. Concrete. Antonyms: loose, shifting, bogey. Loose, shifting, bogey. Concrete. Antonyms: loose, shifting, bogey. Condemn. Condemn. Antonyms: praise, flatter, compliment, acquit, discharge, exonerate. Condemn. Antonyms: praise, flatter, compliment, acquit, discharge, exonerate. Condense. Condense. Antonyms: expand, enlarge, amplify. Condense. Antonyms: expand, enlarge, amplify. Conduct. Conduct. Antonyms: misconduct, misbehavior. Conduct. Conduct. Antonyms: misconduct, misbehavior. Confess. Confess. Antonyms: deny, disclaim. Deny, disclaim. Confess. Antonyms: deny, disclaim. Confidence. Confidence. Antonyms: doubt, distract, suspicion. Doubt, distract, suspicion. Confidence. Antonyms: doubt, distract, suspicion. Confine. Confine. Antonyms: expand, extend, widen, dilate. Confine. Antonyms: expand, extend, widen, dilate. Confirm. Confirm. Antonyms: cancel, upset, repeal. Cancel, upset, repeal. Confirm. Antonyms: cancel, upset, repeal. conflicting, conflicting. Antonyms: harmonizing, coinciding, agreeing, corresponding. Harmonizing, coinciding, agreeing, corresponding. Conflicting. Antonyms: harmonizing, coinciding, agreeing, corresponding. Confuse, confuse. Antonyms: encourage, appease, compose, reassume. Confuse. Antonyms: encourage, appease, compose, reassure. Connect, connect. Antonyms: disconnect, disunite, part, divide, detach, disjoint. Connect. Antonyms: disconnect, disunite, part, divide, detach, disjoint. Conquer, conquer. Antonyms: surrender, yield, defeat. Surrender, yield, defeat. Conquer, surrender, yield, defeat. Conscientious, conscientious. Antonyms: corrupt, vile, wicked. Conscientious, conscientious, corrupt, vile, wicked. Considerable, considerable. Antonyms: negligent, unconcerned, heedless, thoughtless. Considerable. Antonyms: negligent, unconcerned, heedless, thoughtless. Considerate. Antonyms: rude, harsh. Considerate. Antonyms: rude, harsh. Consistency, consistency. Antonyms: disharmony, discord, inconsistency. Disharmony, discord, inconsistency. Consistency. Antonyms: disharmony, discord, inconsistency. Constant, constant. Antonyms: variable, inconstant, flexible, unreliable, unsteady, unstable. Constant. Antonyms: variable, inconstant, flexible, unreliable, unsteady, unstable. Consult. Antonyms: avoid, unheal. Consult. Antonyms: avoid, unheal. Consume, consume. Antonyms: save, hoard, reserve, preserve. Save, hoard, reserve, preserve. Contempt, contempt. Antonyms: love, respect, regard, reverence. Contempt. Antonyms: love, respect, regard, reverence. Contented. Contented. Antonyms: discontented, frustrated, dissatisfied. Discontented, frustrated, dissatisfied. Contented. Antonyms: discontented, frustrated, dissatisfied. Continuity. Antonyms: discontinuity, isolation, disunion. Discontinuity, isolation, disunion. Contract. Antonyms: unacceptable, unacceptable. Contract. Antonyms: unacceptable. Contradict. Contradict. Antonyms: confirm, substantiate. Confirm, substantiate. Contradict, confirm, substantiate. Contrary. Contrary. Antonyms: favorable, friendly, advantageous. Favorable, friendly, advantageous. Contrary. Antonyms: favorable, friendly, advantageous. Control. Antonyms: free, relieve, liberate, release. Free, relieve, liberate, release. Control. Antonyms: free, relieve, liberate, release. Controversy. Controversy. Antonyms: accord, agreement, compromise, unanimity. Unanimity. Controversy. Antonyms: accord, agreement, compromise, unanimity. Convenient. Convenient. Antonyms: inconvenient, improper, inappropriate, unsuitable. Convenient. Antonyms: inconvenient, improper, inappropriate, unsuitable. Convey. Antonyms: drop. Convey. Antonyms: drop. Convict. Antonyms: acquit, discharge, release. Convict. Antonyms: acquit, discharge, release. Cooperate. Cooperate. Antonyms: counteract, oppose, dislike, hate, contradict. Cooperate. Antonyms: counteract, oppose, dislike, hate, contradict. Copy. Copy. Antonyms: create, originate, initiate. Create, originate, initiate. Cordial. Cordial. Antonyms: cold, formal. Cold, formal. Cordial. Cold, formal. Correct. Antonyms: incorrect, inaccurate, wrong, false, erroneous. Correct. Antonyms: incorrect, inaccurate, wrong, false, erroneous. Correspond. Correspond. Antonyms: variance, difference, disagreement. Variance, difference, disagreement. Corrupt. Antonyms: pure, repair, mend, undefiled. Pure, repair, mend, undefiled. Corrupt. Antonyms: pure, repair, mend, undefiled. అలాగే పేజ్ నెంబర్ 9 లో కూడా చూడండి. కాస్ట్లీ. Antonyms: cheap, inexpensive, inferior. Cheap, inexpensive, inferior. Costly. Antonyms: cheap, inexpensive, inferior. Count. Count. Antonyms: suppose, guess, imagine, surmise. Suppose, guess, imagine, surmise. Count. Antonyms: suppose, guess, imagine, surmise. Courage. Courage. Antonyms: cowardice, timidity, discourage. Cowardice, timidity, discourage. Cover. Antonyms: uncover, unveil, expose, exhibit. Cover. Antonyms: uncover, unveil, expose, exhibit. Cowardice. Antonyms: boldness, bravery, courage. Boldness, bravery, courage. Cowardice. Antonyms: boldness, bravery, courage. Create. Antonyms: destroy, kill, devastate. Destroy, kill, devastate. Create. Antonyms: destroy, kill, devastate. Credit. Credit. Antonyms: disbelief, distract, suspicion, misgiving. Credit. Antonyms: disbelief, distract, suspicion, misgiving. Creed. Antonyms: disbelief, protest. Disbelief, protest. Creed. Antonyms: disbelief, protest. Crime. Crime. Antonyms: guiltlessness, blamelessness, incorrupt. Guiltlessness, blamelessness, incorrupt. Crime. Antonyms: guiltlessness, blamelessness, incorrupt. Cripple. Cripple. Antonyms: augment, ease, free. Cripple. Antonyms: augment, ease, free. Critic. Critic. Antonyms: appreciate, reader, student, professor. Critic. Antonyms: appreciate, reader, student, professor. Crowd. Antonyms: select, chosen, elite. Crowd. Antonyms: select, chosen, elite. Crude. Antonyms: fine, smooth, finished, perfect, elegant. Crude. Antonyms: fine, smooth, finished, perfect, elegant. Cruel. Antonyms: cruel. Antonyms: kind, compassionate, humane, merciful, sympathetic. Cruel. Antonyms: kind, compassionate, humane, merciful, sympathetic. Crush. Crush. Antonyms: congregate, solidify, weld. Congregate, solidify, weld. Crush. Antonyms: congregate, solidify, weld. Cry. Antonyms: rejoice, revel. Rejoice, revel. Cry. Antonyms: rejoice, revel. Cure. Antonyms: aggravate, worsen. Cure. Antonyms: aggravate, worsen. Curiosity. Curiosity. Antonyms: indifference, unconcerned. Indifference, unconcerned. Curiosity, indifference, unconcerned. Curse. Antonyms: bless, benediction, thank. Curse. Antonyms: bless, benediction, thank. Cutting. Antonyms: soothing, flattering, complimenting. Cutting. Antonyms: soothing, flattering, complimenting. Cynical. Cynical. Antonyms: amiable, appreciative. Amiable, appreciative. Cynical. Antonyms: amiable, appreciative.